or why does ocean warming kill the coral?
It kills the coral because the coral isn't really used to having light and warm.
Okay, so the coral is used to not that warm water, but what's it doing inside the coral to kill it? Rashid's sitting you with us. Logan, pass around to Logan.
It's taking all the algae out of the water so the algae can't eat the diseases and stuff off the coral, so it's gonna die.
You got the algae part. How did the algae help the coral? You have the algae, and this is a tough question. We're pushing ourselves through it. How did the algae help the coral? D'Antro, Captain D'Antro. Captain, looking strong. Make sure your hands are folded. That means you didn't play with anything like binders or pencils.
The algae helped the coral because the algae was inside the coral. It was fighting off diseases.
Okay, so this might be a point that we missed, and so your eyes are over here. The algae are inside the coral, and they use photosynthesis to help the coral make food. So the coral is an animal. Do animals use photosynthesis? No. Okay, so the coral actually uses these small, tiny plants called algae inside of it to make food from the sun using photosynthesis. Okay, so when the algae die, the coral also dies as well. What I need to do, I'm going to have someone that's going to stand up and lead going over homework. The person that does that is going to be the person that can put up their binder the quietest. And we're being a little bit slow because we want to be quiet, but eventually we're going to be fast and quiet at the same time. The quietest, I would say, there was charisma. Charisma, please come up. And the way charisma, since someone wants charisma, there will be other people that get to do this job as well. But charisma is going to go through each question, and you're going to call on someone to read it, and you're going to call on another person for the answer. While they're reading the question, your cat should be on the paper. Show me what that looks like. So when someone's reading a question, show me where your cats are supposed to be. Alright, show me where your cats are supposed to be when someone's reading. Now, let's say read was answering the question. Show me where your cats go. Not fast enough. Show me where your cats go to gauge. Okay, that was faster. Alright, charisma. Start with question number 1. Get someone to read and get someone to answer. Hands up for reading.
Okay. What is the difference between photosynthesis and chemosynthesis?
And we're asking answering questions, so our hands should be up.
Photosynthesis uses sunlight, and chemosynthesis uses sunlight.
Question number 2.
Will an organism be forced to use chemosynthesis? Why? Because they was underwater.
Okay. Janelle, so say that one more time. We're going to stop and revisit your answer in a second. Go ahead.
They were forced because they were underwater.
Okay. They were underwater. Okay, so that's why people are swimming. But think about it. There are some plants underwater in the shallow ocean that still use photosynthesis. So what might be the big difference? We're going to pass it and then you're going to explain. All right. Pass it to someone else real quick. And Janelle. Yeah, Janelle, you can pass it.
The organism would be forced to use chemosynthesis in the deep ocean because there's not a lot of sunlight, and they would have to use those like little fountain-like things so they could get their energy, and then they would have to make their food with that.
Okay, so Janelle, one more time. Why can't they use it in the deep ocean? Photosynthesis is making food through sunlight. Why can't they use it in the deep ocean? Yeah. No. Tell me what Madison just said. Madison, one more time. Come on.
An organism would
That's
be...
not Madison. Be still.
an organism would be forced to use chemosynthesis in the deep blue ocean because there's not a lot of sunlight, and they would have to use.
Can you stop right there? That's the main point. That's the meat of the question. So, Janelle, one more time, and we're going to ask you this later to make sure you got it. We're going to have her explain this point in a little bit later to make sure she understands. Send some love to Janelle for talking through a tough question. All right, keep going. 3 questions. Just call on the answer. The question is the same. Number 3. Just read the answer.
These are plants in the ocean because you can tell how the plants live in the ocean.
Okay, these are plants in the ocean. Give me something, one of the 4 types. Call someone else. Real quick, read you about the next one.
The organisms are anchored because they're stuck to the ocean floor.
Okay, they are anchored. Okay, read, you got the next one.
These are crashes because they have their claws.
Okay, so what type of organism is that? On the count of 3, please show Reed what type of organisms they are. Think about it. 3, 2, 1, show. Okay? Okay, so Reed, you know. So what type of organism are they? Again, we're going to be still in Cats on Reed again.
They are crawlers.
Yep, crawlers. Excellent. And you can tell because they have those legs. Okay, go ahead and keep going. Quickly. So we move quickly when we don't have to wait training. Next one. Go.
I can tell because jellyfish are drifters.
Alright. Jellyfish are drifters. Good. And the last one, this one's going to Jessica. Cats on Jessica.